Okay, so this is the Roborock Saros 20. The boys are gonna unbox it today and we're gonna check it out.
Yeah.
Ready?
Yeah.
Okay. You gonna help Sawyer?
Yes. Yeah.
Can you get it?
Ah! No. Oh, this is the base. Maybe if we get the base out, maybe we should get it. Whee! Okay. Okay. Nothing. Okay, I got it.
All right, let's see it. Here's the base station. So this is an upgrade from the Saros 10R, which we reviewed last year.
Okay, let's open this.
Hello.
I'm a Roomba. Peluneto.
Yeah.
Washing.
Dual mopping pads.
And one is the thing on the base. Roomba. You got it?
Careful. Be careful, Sawyer. Got it?
This is really heavy.
Ooh.
Really heavy.
Yeah, good job, bud.
Oh, that's strong. Oh. Is it just gonna look like the same thing?
There it
It looks
is.
exactly like the same
Looks
thing.
just like the 10R.
I don't see how anything is different.
Well, we're gonna have to figure it out. They look very similar.
I mean, I don't see. I don't actually see no difference to the other. No difference. Where's the 10 on?
Right there.
Oh, it's right there. Yeah, they look very similar.
What looks very similar?
I feel like the room is already.
Wait, yeah, they look so similar.
Yeah.
Because
Is that everything?
One more thing.
they're the same thing. Wait, what's in there?
Extra filters. Cord.
And that's all.
What about the brushes?
Too bad.
The brush is already on there.
Shadow. Oh, ocean. Wait. This. Come on, look. This.
Yeah, it extends
I feel like that's
Isn't
the
that
first time
cool?
I've noticed that.
to get all the dirt out of the corners.
No, it's like, hey, you want to have fun? That's it.
Yeah. He's just figuring out.
Good guess.
Yeah.
Nope. Nope.
Got it?
Yeah.
It's on.
It is. Oh, why does it say red? Like,
Come on.
and these should just line up. Well, that was way different.
That was the Roborock.
No.
Saros 20. Yeah.
Okay, let's put it on my face. But that music to turning it on is way different than it's like.
Mom, we already have it. We already have it.
Yep.
right, so it came with some extra bags and extra mopping pads. It's always nice to have.
I'm hot. So look, I think you get out.